Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both devices are ready. Check iPhone iOS and Android model, and ensure Wi-Fi and passwords are available. Install Google Family Link on the child's Android and set up a parent Google account on your device. On the iPhone, open Screen Time to note restrictions you currently use. Sign in to the same Apple ID if using Find My for location. Once done, pair accounts and prepare to transfer rules and limits across platforms. Now configure the detailed controls. On Google Family Link, create the child's profile and apply daily limits and app restrictions aligned with what you used on the iPhone. Make sure to match categories and time windows so behavior expectations stay consistent. On the iPhone, export or note the most important screen time settings and replicate content filters, web restrictions, and in-app purchase controls on Family Link. Once matched, test by launching restricted apps and finish by verifying controls from your parent device. View activity reports, adjust limits, and test remote locks and app approvals. You should run live tests, request an app install, trigger a bedtime lock, and check the child's location, so you see each function work end to end. If things fail, first restart both devices and sign out/in of the accounts. If that does not fix it, reinstall Google Family Link, reauthorize permissions, and verify background data and battery settings to prevent blocking of parental features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.